Hey guys, happy new year. So um in today's video I just want to walk us through how we can start our new year 2026. If I am to start my career again now as a web designer, I'll just follow this route. I will not even think twice. Things are changing, the landscape has changed in the last few years, let's say in the last 2 3 years. Um we've seen a situation now whereby people that were doing UI UX bootcamp, they're trying to like add vibe coding to it. That's okay. UI UX is not becoming an obsolete product, but it's something that it cannot just stand on its own anymore. We need to add vibe coding to it. So UI UX plus vibe coding now, it is now web product development course in some bootcamp. So if you have to start your UI UX journey, yeah, fine, start. If you have to start your product design thinking journey, yes, start. But this particular video is basically for someone who wants to like say, I want to be a web designer in the age of AI. How do I use AI product to develop websites or to build websites for clients, for businesses, for customers? Or you want to learn web design to say, but you don't want to start from the scratch like the way most of us started. But I just want to show us the pathway, the roadmap that we can follow, this will actually help us to start something. So the first thing I would love to talk about is ChatGPT. Yeah, let ChatGPT be your friend this time. Yeah, go to ChatGPT. Any question that you don't understand, ask questions. Like ask questions. The next place you should go to is YouTube. You see, I'm typing them one after the other so that it won't be like, oh, I've typed something down before. I just want to make everything so fresh for us, like follow. So, any question, anything that you're not clear about, just go to YouTube to watch it. Then it will guide you more. And if you're still not clear, reach out to me on X or on LinkedIn, on Instagram. I promise to respond on time. So the next place you should go to, as someone wants to learn web design in 2026, is Dribbble. Yeah, go to Dribbble. Dribbble is cool. Yeah, you see you see some shot there that will guide you. Like, oh, I like this shot, how can I replicate it in Figma, or how can I develop this kind of thing? For instance, look at this one now. This is a nice landing page, nice hero section. The first thing you see when you enter a website is called hero section, right? So this is an hero section. So for this one now, you say, oh, I love this and I want to like design it. You just go to Figma. Figma is the next thing that we should look at. Go to Figma. Okay, say this is my account. So let me click on a new account, a new design. So come to Figma and start designing. You bring in your frame, just press F on your keyboard and press it like this. You give it, you can actually go to press F and come here to desktop. And click on desktop, you see desktop is 1440 by 1024 in size. And you bring it out like this. Let me delete the first one. So, and from there, you can start designing your landing page, everything. So let's do something now. Let me copy this image. You see what I'm saying? Come to Figma, paste it. So yeah, so just paste like that. And you can start, recreating this. And say, okay, when you are done, you want to share it on X, want to share it online, and then you move forward to Figma to develop it. So the next platform I'll be showing us is called Figma. I'm actually a Web3 developer and I'm a Figma developer, but these days, Figma has been the one, making the waves in the market. So come to Figma. So aside this, there are other ways to fast track things. So you go to ChatGPT to learn one or two things, YouTube to learn more, and you come to Dribbble to pick inspiration based on the thing you want to learn. Oh, I love this landing page. How can I actually achieve this kind of thing? You come to Figma to design it if you want to design it. Yeah, still an optional something for you. But if you actually want to develop it out, you want to develop a website that people will be able to interact with, like this one that I did some months back, that was 2025. So you come here for this particular one, you can interact with this one. So this is something developed with Webflow, not with Framer. The one I developed with Framer is one I can't show now, it's still under development. Yeah, because they are trying to like export the code from Figma to host it on a different platform, not on Figma. So I won't be able to show us that one for now. So yeah, let me close this as well. So we come here, and the next thing I want to show us now is to fast track the process. Okay, let's say for instance now you have an idea and you're like, okay, you have someone in your environment, I mean your area, and be like, oh, this plumbing guy, what if this guy has a website? So you come to ChatGPT, you prompt ChatGPT, you make ChatGPT act as someone who understands the product. You prompt it. So I don't want to say I'm very fast at typing. I'm kind of slow at typing, so I don't want to type that out. So let me just tell you the kind of prompts you can use for this kind of thing. So you enter ChatGPT, you ask ChatGPT that acts as someone who understands UI UX, as a UI UX designer, as a content writer, and as a copywriter to say. So, and as a product manager. Yeah, you are giving it a lot of rules. You can actually do it. So you explain what you want, you understand it, you now give you back, you that you're a designer, web designer, what you need to do. It will give you back what you need to do. So those things, you now take them to Figma, like in the design thinking way. That's where you come in as a web designer. You take them, you bring them to Figma to design them. Yeah. But if you are like, oh, you don't know how to design them, you still have to go back to YouTube. Then you now search for web design courses. Yeah, web design courses. Web design courses. By the time you watch one or two, let's say, I will definitely recommend this particular one from Flux Academy. This is very great, 3 hours. And I'm looking for one more that I can recommend for you guys. Right, see, I pray. Okay, this one. Watch this as well. This 5 hours, yeah. So this 5 hours will actually guide you. Though the interface they used there, this is like 3 years ago, but trust me, the principles of design still remains as it is. The thinking still remains as it is. The only thing that will change is just the UI, the interface of Figma that was used in this particular video. So now, after watching these two, you can come to Figma to practice what ChatGPT gave you based on your prompts, like to design it out. So if you want to say, oh, which image am I going to use? For you look at this particular design, you have some nice images here. Just come to free pick. You come to free pick and you pick some great images here. Search for what you are using. This is how to use free pick. Yeah, just come search for black tech guy. Let me search for dark tech guy. Oh, I actually type track. Okay, dark tech guy. So you see a lot of things there. If you are not on pro account, just come to all images here, click on the drop down and click on photos. Then you see the license, click on the drop down in front of license, then click free. So everything you see here, you see now, everything you see here are free something. When you click on it, let's say I want to copy this particular one, I will let it load like this and I will come here. You can actually download it as small, medium or large, but I prefer the file size you need to download is small or medium. But I hardly download. I will just click on copy image and I will wait for it. Oh, I actually reached I've actually downloaded like 10 images today. So in your own case, you have access to download as many as possible, up to like 10. Just click on copy image and you wait for it to copy. It will show you, it will give you a green signal that this image has been copied. Then you copied it. If you've copied it already, then you bring it to Figma to paste it. So yeah, let's not shortcut everything that I've said. I don't want to design everything from scratch. Then just go back to Figma, back to file. Click on the Figma icon at the top left corner here, back to files. Then you see community here under your recent. Click on community and come to search at the top right corner here and search for SaaS landing page. SaaS landing page. So yeah, you see a bunch of a lot of pages that have been created, a lot of something that you can just pick up. So for instance, now I think I will pick this particular one. I don't know. I'm not being biased there. I just want to pick one and I will show us what we need to do with it. So I think I like this. So I'll pick one, then I'll click on open in Figma and show me that which are my accounts do I want to open it with. I'll just pick the first one. Anyone, you can pick anyone. So it's coming up like this. Once you have it opened like this, come to, oh, this is just cover image. Okay, how to use Figma to Webflow plugin, discover image. Oh, okay. Now here's what we can do. This particular one just comes with just landing page and nothing else. I'm coming, let me see what they have here. Discover more image. Okay, this is landing page. Yeah, this is something you've gotten. Instead of you to design it from scratch, you can go to Figma community and make sure you give credit to whosoever that designed this particular landing page that you want to use when you're posting it online. I think that would be a very good way of doing it. And this was done by Webflow. I'm not going to lie. This was done by Webflow. So you can just say that you found this particular landing page on Figma community, and yeah, you give credits back to Webflow for giving that to the community for us to use. So you have this. You don't need to think of designing from scratch. Or if you want to design, you want to change anything from here, you want to change the copy they used, you want to change the font, you have access to edit it. Like you can edit it as you want. But left to me, I will not do all this. I will not do everything here. I will not do it. So I have the design. Now, I need to bring it to life. I can actually bring it to life through Figma Make, your Figma site. But I don't want to do that. I want to go to Figma to develop it. I'll come to a new project. Click on a new project and it will show me like, oh, you can actually start developing the website. But though we have Figma to Figma plugin, but I won't advise you to use that. I've used it. It's nice, but I will say that it starts from scratch. Yeah. So when you come to Figma, this is where you need to learn more. If you don't want to learn how to use Figma, but you must learn how to use Figma, this is where your work comes in. So just go back to YouTube and type Figma course. Figma. Is it that you go to Figma? You can go to Figma Academy, but just type anything. Figma Academy has everything. Figma Academy has everything you want to learn. So just click on Figma like this, come to videos like this, or you go to their playlist. So under their playlist, they have mastering animation and interaction in Figma. Don't go there yet. Just come to these 32 lessons, Figma fundamentals. Just come here, click on it.
Yo, my name.
Yeah, this is everything. You see, I've watched everything here. Can you see? You have to learn this. You have to do this. So after watching this, practice what they've done there, you still have to come back to YouTube to say and type Figma courses. Type on it. Just click it. So you watched this one already. You see a lot of YouTubers, they've already created different courses on this particular Figma. Learning Figma to say. Watch them and practice them. By the time you are done with 2 or 3 channels, 2 or 3 different courses, I'm telling you, you'll be able to actually build this one out in Figma. By that, you can see yourself as a web designer, as someone who can take up a project and who can deliver. Other things that you'll be doing, like connecting it to like GoDaddy or domain, or maybe .com or .ai or .co that you want to use to host the websites. All those ones, you can go back to YouTube as well to learn them, or go back to ChatGPT to ask questions and learn them. So this is one of the shortest way to become a web designer in 2026. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, you share, and you comment. And if you have anything that you want me to talk about, or you want me to make a particular video on, just reach out to me. Thank you.